Hey there, tech enthusiasts. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're tackling something essential for your Linux setup: updating Firefox in 2025. Whether you're on Ubuntu, Fedora, or another distro, keeping your browser updated ensures you get the latest security patches, performance boosts, and new features. This process is quick and straightforward, so let's dive right in. First things first, why update? In 2025, Firefox might have exciting updates like enhanced privacy tools or better integration with emerging tech. But more importantly, outdated browsers can be a security risk. So, grab your terminal. That's the command line interface on Linux, and let's get started. Step 1. Open your terminal. You can usually find it in your applications menu or by searching for terminal. Once open, update your system's package list. For most distributions, type sudo apt update if you're on Debian-based systems like Ubuntu, or sudo dnf update for Fedora. Hit enter and enter your password when prompted. Step 2. Now, upgrade the packages. Run sudo apt upgrade Firefox for Ubuntu users, or sudo dnf upgrade Firefox on Fedora. This will download and install the latest version. If you installed Firefox via Snap, use sudo snap refresh Firefox. For Flatpak, it's Flatpak update org. Mozilla Firefox. Step 3. After the update finishes, verify it worked. Type Firefox version in the terminal to check the installed version. You should see something like Mozilla Firefox 128.0 feet or whatever the latest is in 2025. If it's updated, great job. One quick tip: if you're using a custom repository, make sure it's configured correctly to avoid conflicts. Also, restart Firefox if it's running to apply all changes. There you have it. Updating Firefox on Linux is that simple. If you run into any issues, double-check your distribution's package manager or visit Mozilla's support page. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell for more Linux tips. See you in the next video.